Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss a very common issue that users found in Snapchat as security restriction. Please try again from this device. So, if you are also struggling with the same problem, then this video is going to be a savior for you. Let's get started. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. Method 1. Restart your phone and Snapchat app. This error mainly arises when you try to delete your Snapchat account. So, the first thing you need to do to resolve this issue is restarting the phone. Give a fresh start to your phone and see if that can fix security restriction issue or not. Besides restarting the phone, you can also relaunch the Snapchat app. This can help in fixing the issue on Android. Method 2. Clear cache and data of Snapchat app. The next solution to fix Snapchat security restriction can't delete account error on Android is clearing the cache and data of the app. Open the settings. Go to the apps or app manager. Then, go to Snapchat. Click on storage. Next, tap on the Clear Cache and Clear Data buttons. Now, restart your phone and log into your Snapchat account. Then try to delete your account. Method 3. Ensure to update Snapchat app. Like all other applications, always keep your Snapchat app up to date. Using an older version of the app might restrict you from deleting your Snapchat account. So, check once whether any update is available or not for Snapchat app. If an update is available, then immediately go for it. To do so, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Search for the Snapchat app and open it in the Play Store. Now, tap on the Update button, if available, and wait for the process to get finished. Once the app is updated, restart the device. Now, check if you can delete your Snapchat account without any problem. Method 4. Contact the Snapchat support team. If nothing worked for you to remove security restriction, please try again from this device after 72 hours error in Snapchat, then immediately contact the Snapchat support team for better assistance. To do this, go to Snapchat's official website by entering https://help.snapchat.com/hc/na/requests/new. You will now see the option to submit a request. Select the reason I can't access my account. On the next page, you will have to select I see an error message when I log in. You will now be asked still need help. You have to click on yes. You will now have to fill out the request form. Enter the factual details of the issue in this form. If you have a screenshot of the error, you can also add that. Once you have filled in the details of the form, tap on Submit. After you submit the form, you will get a confirmation of your ticket at your mail address. Along with the confirmation, you will also receive further instructions to get back your account. Lastly, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, then do share it with other users having the same error. Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.